Good morning, students. This is your Ramya ma'am. Already the last two classes we discussed about what is a set, how to define a set, how to represent the set, what are all different types to represent the set. So already we discussed example sums also. So today we are going to see example 1.2. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. First one, they are given one word assessment. The second one, they are given one word principal. What the question they are given? Set of letters they are given. You have to write. That one is a roster form. What is the meaning of roster form? Roster form, the listing all the elements you have to write within the bracket. So the listing all the elements. So first word is what? Assessment. First word is what? Assessment. What are all letters are there? What are all elements are there? So here we have to find out what are all elements are there. That is enough. Now here A S S E S S M E N T assessment they are given. Here yes, they are repeating 4 times. E is repeating 2 times. So here, no need to write the repeated letter again and again. So what are all elements is there? That is enough. So you have to give one name of the set. I will give the name of the set A. So the next one, A is the yes. So yes already we written. So no need to repeat it again. So next E. So here 2 S is there. No need to write again. Next M. E already we written. So no need to repeat again. N. T. So set A is equal to ASEMNT. That is the roster form. So second one is what? Principal. You have to give one name of the set. B is equal to PRINC. I already we written, so no need to repeat it again. P also already we written, no need to repeat it again. AL. Okay. So like that only we have to write in a roster form. Next we have to move exercise 1.1. Represent the following sets in roster form. Represent the following sets in roster form. Set A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. The set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So what is the? They are given the question in a descriptive form. They are given the question in a descriptive form. This one you have to convert and write roster form. So first what they are given? The set of all even natural numbers. Even natural numbers they are given on condition also less than 20. So roster form means what? We have to write every elements, listing all the elements. So what are all even natural number is possible to write to less than 20? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 20 we can't able to write because they are given the condition less than 20. That is the answer. Next, second question. Set B is equal to y such that y equal to 1 by 2n. They are given on condition. This n value belongs to capital N. Capital N means what? Natural number. And this n they are given on condition. This n value only less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. Here they are given the rule. What is the method is there? Set builder form. This set builder form you have to convert and write roster form. What's the condition they are given? Y is equal to 1 by 2n. So the next n belongs to natural number. Natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. N value what the condition they are given? Less than or equal 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I have to consider 5 also? Less than or equal they are given. So 5 also I have taken. So what's the condition? Y equal to 1 by 2n. N value already we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to substitute n place instead of n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one y equal to 1 by 2n. 2n means 2 into n. So first one 2 into 1. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Second one is what? Y is equal to 1 by 2 into, instead of n I have to substitute 2. So 1 by 4. Like this, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 6. The same thing, y equal to 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 8. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, 1 by 10. So what are all values we found? That one you have to write it inside the bracket. So set B is equal to what? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. There is the answer. The next one. Third question. C is equal to x such that x is perfect cube. X is a perfect cube they are given, and they are given the condition x value lies between 27 to 216. So what's the condition they are given? X is perfect cube. Perfect cube, they are given the condition also. So 27 means perfect cube. How will you split it? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cubes equal to 27. The next number is what? 4. 4 cube means what? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. The next one, 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. The next one, 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. But the given condition, x value lies between 27 to 216. So no need to consider this 27, 216. In between values you have to take and write. What are all in between value? 4 cube, 5 cube. 4 cube means what? 64. 5 cube means what? 125. The next one. Fourth question. Set D is equal to x such that x belongs to z. X belongs to z. Already I said z means integers. X lies between minus 5 to less than or equal to 2. This one you have to write directly. So what will come? D is equal to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Why we have to consider 2 also? Less than or equal. That is the answer. So fourth question is over. Next we have to move for fifth question. Represent the following set in set builder form. First question is what? Set B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So this one they are given the descriptive form. You have to write in a set builder form. Nothing, set builder form descriptive to set builder very easily to write. Set B. Set B only they are given. No. Set B is equal to open bracket, curly bracket you have to give. We have to give one name x such that x. We have to remove the set of word. We have to remove the set of alone. You have to remove. X is an. Why we have to give the an? Here all is there. So x is an. Remove the set of, the remaining you have to copy and write. X is an. All cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. That's all. The next question. C is equal to, they are given 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. They are given like that. This is what? This is the roster form. Roster form they are given. You have to convert into the set builder form. First 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 like that they are given. In before they are given descriptive form. So we easily we convert and write set builder form. Now they are given the elements. They are given values. This one you have to convert into the set builder form. So first we have to frame that what's the condition is there. You will find out this answer. So first you have to see the 1 by 2. So compare numerator more than the numerator less than the denominator. 1 here 1 more than. Here 2 1 more than. Here 3 1 more than. So what I have to consider? What's the n by n plus 1. N by n plus 1. So next here we have to substitute the 1. 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 by 2. So answer came. The next one. 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 by 3. So 3 by 3 plus 1, 3 by 4. So this answer came. Which format is that? This answer will come n by n plus 1. So directly we will write the answer now. C is equal to x such that x equal to n by n plus 1. So n value, what are all values we have taken? 1, 2, 3 only, no. So n belongs to natural number. N belongs to natural number. The next one, third question. Set D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. The set of all Tamil months in a year. This one directly you will write. Set D is equal to x such that x. Set of you remove it. Say x is an all Tamil months in a year. Remove the set of, the remaining you have to copy and write. The next one, fourth question. Set E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. So this one also easily we will write x such that x is an odd whole numbers less than 9. Remove the set of, the remaining you have to copy and write. So this question is over. Next we have to move the sixth question. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. Descriptive form you have to write. So first question is what? P is equal to, the set P is equal to January, June, July. This question itself we know that this is the English month. But one condition also they are given, that English month only starting with the J. So this one you have to write in a descriptive form. Already I said what's the meaning of descriptive. We have to written everything in a word. That is called the descriptive. So set P is equal to, we got here set builder form, we remove the set of. But here you have to add the set of. The set of, this one is what? English month only, no. The set of English months. Starting letter with J. Starting letter with J. That's all. The next one, set Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. They are given this roster form. This one you have to write in a descriptive form. You have to see the notice this numbers 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. All these numbers are prime numbers. But prime numbers starting 2 onwards. But here they are given 7 to 29 only. So how you are going to write in a descriptive? Set Q is equal to the set of prime numbers. The set of prime numbers from. The set of prime numbers from 7 to 29. 7 to 29. That's all. The next third question. Set R is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number. One condition also they are given, x value less than 5. So set R is equal to the set of, here what they are given, natural number. The set of natural numbers less than 5. The set of natural numbers less than 5. So next one, capital S. The set S is equal to x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. Already we know that except the vowels, they are remaining full of consonants. So how will you write? Yes, the set is equal to the set of consonants in English alphabets. Thank you students. Tomorrow we will see the next exercise.